8-time Olympic gold medalist Usain Bolt is the global spokesperson for the Bolt Mobility brand of personal electric scooters. Billed as the safest, most high-tech, and consumer-focused personal electric scooters during a news conference on Tuesday on the steps of New York City Hall, the electric scooters are seen as the future of sustainable and equitable transportation. Bolt, whose world record of 9.58 seconds has stood since 2009, believes these e-scooters will go a long way to alleviating traffic congestion and air quality in cities across the world. "I am an Olympic athlete. They call me the fastest man on earth. One thing is for sure, I run. I run everywhere," Bolt said. "I have run in cities all over the world, and I can tell you firsthand that traffic is getting worse and worse in every city on every continent on Earth. The air quality is also getting worse, and I feel that now is the time that we must do something about it. That's why I am so proud to be the sponsor of the Bolt Mobility electric scooter, a mode of transportation that will truly change the way people move." Bolt Mobility has engineered breakthrough designs from the ground up that feature swappable batteries, charging stations for the swappable batteries, space for shopping bags, purses and backpacks, phone chargers in a safe, non-distracting location, drink and coffee cup holders. Bolt Mobility's innovative parallel footpads enable safer transportation by allowing riders to ride with their feet firmly planted on each side the e-scooter and enjoy a lower center of gravity for safer, more comfortable rides. Currently, Bolt Mobility has fleets of personal electric scooters on the streets of Fort Lauderdale, FL, Arlington, VA, and Alexandria, VA. In those markets, there have been tens of thousands of unique riders in the last 4 months alone. There are plans for extensive expansion of the Bolt footprint across the country, including Miami, Atlanta, Nashville, Los Angeles and more. In light of this, the company is urging New York State to pass legislation legalizing e-scooters that is currently proposed in the legislature. Bolt Mobility is also partnering with local law enforcement, policymakers, and community leaders to make safety a top priority in current and future markets. Bolt is committed to working with local leaders to make sure carbon-free e-scooters are available to riders in areas where public transportation is scarce and in last-mile transit areas.